Welcome to my class, Stellar's online classes. So many of the people these days have doubt that IELTS is of no use, or this is not useful to have it on these days. But let me tell you one thing that it's still valid and you can go for it without any shadow of doubt, right? Let's discuss about it in detail. So firstly, we are going to discuss about recognition of IELTS. Right. So IELTS is still trusted by 140 nations and more than 12,500 organizations across the globe, around the world, right? And if you talk about the last year, so there were 3.5 million people, right, who have appeared for this test, right? And this test is used for determining the benchmark of English for 35 years from now. Apart from this, this is also world's most popular English language proficiency test, right? And the information is taken from IELTSIDPindia.com. You can go to this site and verify this information, right? So let's discuss about the countries who are accepting IELTS. So firstly, there is United Kingdom, then United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, right? Europe and Cyprus, which is in Middle East, and many countries in Middle East is accepting IELTS for academic as well as for immigration purposes, right? So talking about the organizations which are welcoming IELTS, it includes the immigration authorities and government departments, right? Multinational companies and employers are also there for it. Another is educational and academic institutions, right? Moreover, professional organizations such as hospitals, accounting bodies, financial institutions, or banking sector is also welcoming IELTS. So you can have many benefits if you have IELTS, right? Firstly, you can get admission in top universities, right? Which is the topmost benefit of this test. Universities and colleges are there in which you can get admission, right, and choose among them according to your score. You can get assistance for work and immigration purposes as well, right? Another worth mentioning point is your English language skill can be improved as you have to practice all the modules, reading, listening, speaking. So your all the sections may improve, which can help you in further studies in foreign countries, right? Growth may be there at personal and professional level. So see, from every aspect you can grow, whether this is personally or professionally, right? I think your all doubts are clear now. Thank you so much for watching it. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.